hours of visibility. These scattered clouds, temperature should be in the 40s. In a few minutes, your Frontiers Flight is Mary Kelly and Sadia will be given a safety demonstration. Please pay extra special attention. They're there for your safety, and that is our number one concern. Along the lines of safety, as we push off the gate here, they're going to close us down with some anti-ice.
Hi, this is Albie from Vail with your mountain report for Tuesday, and it's a powder day as of 5:30 this morning. 14 inches of new snow reported in Vail in the past 24 hours, 31 in the past 4 days. We have a settle base of 65 inches, 31 lifts are in operation, serving 195 runs on 5,289 acres.
Mean island of fragrant water.
I don't wanna feel the same way. Paradise.